Hi guys, the Maxkinon introducing a food delivery app and website for your restaurant business. So we are offering food delivery app and business development for your restaurant business. So you can make your own delivery system like Swiggy and Zomato. We are offering a single vendor, multi-vendor, and direct customer to customer like a POS and inbuilt software to your server. Okay, you will get fully white label platform and digital catalog, faster checkout, and rider tracking also available. Admin dashboard, you can manage everything from the admin dashboard. Delivery route optimization, you can track every delivery boy in map and you can understand what they're doing, and real-time tracking option. Also customer option, customer can place order and also track the order. Also restaurant app like restaurant vendor app, they can manage orders, foods and offers from the app. Marketing section also available, you can push the notification, any offer, any discount to your customer. Also do the chart, live chat from the backend. Okay, and third-party integration like Google Analytics and others marketing platform like Facebook Pixel. Also available is a multi-language and payment gateway. You can integrate any payment gateway with the dashboard like international currency, Indian currency. Also available in more than 75 language. You can customize it as per your locality. So that's the video. If you need any software business like food business for your restaurant, or you can start a food delivery service, so you can contact us. We will develop a software for you, a strong software. You can easily manage everything and it will be same like Swiggy and Zomato. So comment in description and follow the link for the meeting. You can arrange a meeting so you can demonstrate, so you can understand what software you will get after purchase. Also available link, you can see the pricing also. So that's the video. Thank you.